Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a Ducati slip-on type of shoe. So we will go through every single aspect of the shoe and let's go. So if you look at the shoe, you can see it is a slip-on type. So you can have a specific fitting on the lace, and after that you just have to slide your foot into this. So it is much easier for workouts and daily use. And now looking at the actual design, there is nothing much crazy going on here, but there is a lot of detailing happening on the shoe. On the upper material, you can see there is a white texture on this black upper material, and here we have a lace which is short. There are no many rounds of lace. It is short and very sweetly designed because there is a Ducati sign here which also comes in a black design, which makes the shoe mostly minimal in design. And on the side we have a separate component with the Ducati logo on it, which comes in a red color. So the red and black matches very well. Here we have a grey color, and also there is textures here. And on the midsole you can see there are more textures going on, and this texture is a good thing because after a lot of usage there is a chance of creasing. So that creasing can be slightly hide by the texture design on the midsole. And on the outsole part we have a black rubber material, and the grip is excellent. I really like it. So if you are looking for workout and a little more aggressive stuff like that, this can be a very good advantage. And on the upper material, this specific cutout is done very beautifully. You can see a light gray design going on here. So overall this is mainly concentrated for workout or for users who are purchasing this for exercise purposes. But for daily casual use, the looks are okay. It is not flashy or anything like that. So if you are a guy who likes simple stuff, this is nice for you. But if you like crazy designs, Ducati offers other good looking variety shoes also. Now let's talk about the comfort. You can see it comes in a memory foam type of insole. So that's why, like I said before, they are concentrating this on workout sessions, because normally Ducati shoes doesn't really have this much of a very soft insoles, but instead they have normal generic insoles. Here they gave a very comfortable, nice insole. So in combination with the flexibility of the shoe, it really have a good amount of quality either for workouts or for daily usage too. So if you are planning to buy this, don't worry about the comfort of the shoe. It does have a good amount of comfort. Now let's have a durability test on the main major parts. First, let's start at this area. As you can see, it stretches very well, but there is no any damage or any crackling sounds on the stitches. Here, now let's test the laces. After extensive amount of stretching, you can see there is a little damage happening on the holes of the shoe, which can cause a little deformation after a long time of usage. But if you don't give this much of stress on a daily use, it will not be any problem. Now let's scratch this. Because it is heat printed on this plastic material, it won't easily come off. So we don't have to worry about the quality of the Ducati branding. It will not damage after a long time of usage. Now let's have a bend test. Like I said before, even though there is a chance of tingling, you cannot see it much because of the texture design. And also the flexibility is very nice. Now if you have any questions related to this shoe, you can comment it down below. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.